How to fix the screen going black while gaming on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Firstly, perform preliminary checks. Restart a device once to rule out temporary issues. Then only run one game at a time, especially if it is resource intensive and heavily strains your hardware. Outdated graphics card drivers can also cause display issues. Therefore, update your graphics driver on Windows if they are out of date. The Windows Game Mode aims to improve the gaming experience, but it can also arise to unexpected issues. Disable Game Mode if it is currently enabled. To do that, type Game Mode in the Windows search, open the Game Mode settings, then toggle off the Game Mode switch. Now, does the screen turning black issues only occur when playing resource intensive games? If that's the case, one of your device's hardware components, especially the CPU or GPU, could be under high strain. To test this hypothesis, minimize the game right after lunch, open Task Manager, and monitor CPU, GPU, and RAM resource consumption. If the component's resource uses remains within normal limits, they are not under extreme stress. However, if you see the screen go black right when one of the components uses spikes to 100%, the increase in stress is likely the cause. For such situation, simply look for the fix for high CPU, GPU, and RAM resource uses and apply the relevant solutions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.